The dumbest dog PDFs made $185,000. So here's the proof. I'm using a spy tool called Everbee. And as you can see right here, this store has made a whopping $185,000 selling PDFs. And even after all of that, they still average $59.65 per month. And what they sell are simple dog portraits, which are inside PDFs, or selling the physical version and shipping it to the customer. So let me explain how this business works. The customer will send a picture of their dog to the seller, and the seller will then customizing it using AI, okay, and then give it back to the customer in a form of a digital PDF. And then the customer that originally sent their pet will print it out for themselves and put it somewhere in their house. Now, I run a business like this, except I just deliver PDFs. And if I pull up my store here, yesterday I made about $430. I make around $400 to $1K every single day. So in this business, I'm going to show you how they sell PDFs with customized dog portraits and give it to the customer. Okay. Now, the benefits, this is called a PDF business. The benefits of this business is there's no need for inventory, packaging, or shipping. You create it once, and that same file will sell over and over again, basically forever. And it's instantly available. The customer pays, and they instantly get it. No shipping. It's all digital, right? And again, you pay the cost to create it one time, and the machine keeps churning. You keep making sales. Okay, so just remember, delivery happens to the customer digitally and automatically immediately after they enter their credit card. Now, this saves time and reduces customer service work, because if a system is instantly delivering it, you can sell hundreds, thousands, right? Like this store here. This store is from 2023 to now. It's made $185K selling PDFs, and over and over again for a year straight. And to this day, it still averages $6K a month, even after making all this money, right? So let me just run by the step-by-step process, how to have a PDF business and how to run a business like this if you want to sell dog PDFs as well. You can start this process even if you have no design experience or no skill, just problem-solving mindset, right? So this is the visual graph of what it looks like. We're going to set up an Etsy account. We're going to make a few listings. We're going to market your listings, deliver the orders and receive payments, and then we're going to make required illustrations using AI, and then we're going to receive the order, right? Does that make sense? So in a nutshell, make the account, post listings, market listings, receive the order, give it to the AI. AI creates a design and then give that to the customer. We're actually getting paid first. It's not receive payments. We actually get paid first. They give us the portrait. AI makes it all nice, and then we give it to the customer, okay? Now, step 1 and 2, you're just going to make your Etsy account and post a listing, right? So you're going to make your shop. You're going to seek competitors, see what they're selling, spy on them, their keywords, their titles, get an idea of their images, how it looks, okay? Good titles, good keywords, description, look at the branding, Petcraft Co., understand the mention. So it says digital download. Okay, is it a PDF, a JPEG, a PNG? Understand if it's high quality, 300 DPI, A4, 8x10. Understand the dimensions. Are there revisions if the customer is not happy? And explain to the customer how they're going to get it. So via Etsy's digital delivery service, we're going to market the listing, okay? And we're going to be using Pinterest, Facebook groups, TikTok, literally posting for free. And if you want to get traffic quicker, you can just run a $5 a day Etsy campaign based on the titles, and customers will buy every day on that $5, and you'll decide if you're profitable or not looking at the data. Okay, so when you get an order, confirm they received it through Etsy. You're going to thank the buyer. You're going to receive the photo. It has to be a clear, let's say it's pets, receive a clear photo of their dog. And then you're going to ask if there's any questions, tell the customer, do you want any requests? And you're going to proceed to put all of this into AI to create the finished product, okay? So again, customers send the pet photo. You're going to use AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT and make it look all pretty, and then you're going to deliver it back to the customer. So your artistic friend is AI in this business. So here's what a visual guide of what this looks like, okay? Say this customer has a family of dogs. He sends you 3 photos of dogs, and the customer attached a note saying, I want this photo on my shirt with the name The Bella Family. So we're going to put all of his dog images into ChatGPT or Nano Banana, and we're going to upload all the photos, write a prompt, like combine all these photos with some nice neon light background, right? And in seconds, these 3 images the customer gave to us is now this wacky and cute little portrait of all the dogs with cool neon background. Now you can do the same thing and tell the AI to make them cartoons, make it vintage looking, make them look like, make them look human. Any request you want, you can do it. You can make them pirates. You can do whatever you want. Let's say you wanted them as funny bath decor, right? You wanted all your pups in the bathtub reading newspaper on the toilet because maybe you want to have bathroom art. Here's an example of what that would look like. Now, if you want them on shirts, you can just open Canva, go to apps, go down to mockups at the bottom, type in t-shirts, select t-shirts, the one with a placeholder like so. And then we're going to use Canva and ChatGPT. And right here, we can upload manually the photo that we generated. Okay, take this, upload it, and then we now have a mock-up that we can use so the customer visualizes what it looks like. Okay, he wants it on a shirt. I'm going to show him what it looks like on a shirt. So now we should have the actual file. Okay, this actual file, high quality. They can print that out themselves on a t-shirt, and they have a mock-up for what it looks like. We're going to put all of this into a PDF, and we're going to deliver that to the customer. Okay, which is the last step. Deliver the PDF to the customer. Make sure the files are high quality. Make sure this is high quality. Make sure the mock-ups are high quality. All right, no watermarks, nothing. You're going to make sure everything is there, everything they requested, okay? Everything they requested. Okay, they just want all of these dogs in one photo for a t-shirt. Ensure you followed all the instructions. Okay, answer all the questions, be respectful, and deliver the PDF to the customer. And that's it. And that's pretty much how you would run a customization portrait business like this one, if you're delivering digital PDFs back to the customer. Now, you can also run this business physically, and when the customer would submit something, your supplier in the US would actually ship a physical frame. But we're not here to talk about that because that's a physical business, which involves returns. The business I'm talking about, where the customers are happy just receiving their customized photos in a PDF, this is no refund. So when customers reach out to you, you're getting paid to make these custom requests, and you keep the money. It's stress-free. There's no shipping. There's no physical products. There's no expensive inventory. It's all digital. So that's what this business is, okay? So if you want to run a business like this, running a PDF business that instantly delivers the customer a PDF and allows you to make sales every single day, and you only have to make it once, I have a step-by-step guide in the description. Like, it's dirt cheap. It's literally the cost of like $1 a day. So check that out, link in description. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.